Hello family, this is Akaya. I hope all is well. In this video, I'll be showing you how I grease my client's scalp. A lot of people have gotten away, I don't know why, but have gotten away from greasing scalp. When I say scalp greasing is the best, you're not using a whole bunch of product, you're just using a little bit of product. It's just something about that parting of the hair and then that fingertip to give that scalp just to be able to just, I don't know, it just somehow just make that scalp just so much better. Like it's just something about touching the scalp, making the scalp follicles just open up, especially when you use a good grease. You could be able to use several different kinds because there's so many different kinds out there. So I don't really want to get wrapped up in the kind that you use. The main thing is just using a little bit, taking your time. I like to finger detangle. You also can comb detangle as well. What I like to do usually is get the parts together, and then I usually go in and use my fingers for basically just putting the grease on the scalp. But again, like I said, there's really no right or wrong way to do it. The best thing to do is just go ahead and do that. And I'm telling you, if you are having hair loss, your scalp is itchy, I'm telling you, it'll be 100% better. It's something about when you grease your scalp, it's not itchy no more, and it gets the follicles back stimulated, especially around the hairline and nape area. I'm telling you guys, try it, and I know you will like it. Go ahead and press that subscribe button, guys. I would love for you to subscribe, follow. Not only follow, go ahead and comment. Let me know, guys, have you got away from greasing scalp? Because I know a lot of people have. They say negative things about it. I'm telling you, a lot of my clients have a lot of hair, and it does not stop anything from growing. And actually, it helps it. You just don't have to use a lot of it. And also use that grease on your hair. What I like to do is put a little bit of water on my hair, not mine, because I have locks, but I put water on my client's hair, and then I put just a little bit of grease in it, just a little bit. And I'm telling you, it becomes so soft and easy to manage. But guys, go ahead and keep on watching me. Check me out. I want to show you how I do it. Again, don't forget to follow, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.